Whoa! Hi everyone, Morgan here. Let's build an off-grid apartment kit in this 5-gallon bucket for under $100. The first thing you want is some light. So this is a collapsible lantern. You can get the rechargeable ones, or you can just get like a single one that takes batteries. The rechargeable ones are fantastic because you can usually just recharge them super easy with a solar panel or something like that. But you can get this and put that right in there. I'm putting everything in there as I do this. You can also get something like this where this has a solar panel. This also has a light. This has a NOAA weather radio and AM/FM. This has a hand crank, something like this. And I'm gonna be putting links down below to where you can get this stuff for super cheap. Really good brands, things that I recommend. As you can see, I'm gonna be putting this one in. This is a battery bank in which you would use to charge phones or radios or batteries or anything like that. Now I currently cannot find my little alcohol stove that is great for indoor cooking, but those are super affordable and budget friendly. I've done a video review on that and I'm showing you as a representation about how big it is. And the one that I actually have, which I'll have a link down below. So this is a really good representation of the size, which is going to go in there. Plus, imagine that this is the fuel that goes with it. Just going to go ahead and place that right in there. Plus a little cook set. If you want it, you can also use the stuff that's just in your apartment if you want. Water filtration can get a little bulky, but these Aquatabs are really great for bugging in preparedness purposes because you can put it directly into water, have it purified, and it'll be good to go. Collapsible water containers like this are really nice. I actually got this from Daiso, but I will try to find the equivalent on Amazon. This is no rinse soap and or shampoo, and you can put that right in here for some hygiene purposes. And this bucket can also double as a toilet. So I'm going to put a trash bag in here and the lid on top, and boom, you got your apartment emergency bucket for $100. Now that we have our bucket, which by the way, isn't even halfway full, you can add anything else you want from it. Go ahead and upgrade. Add more flashlights in here, add more stuff in here, add like a little tiny portable solar panel, add a jackery that sits right next to your bucket. You can upgrade your cooking to like a rocket stove that you do outside. There's lots of things you can do to upgrade your apartment preparedness or urban preparedness or whatever for pretty cheap. But this can get going and started right away. And then from there, you can add on to it. And this will be just like your little emergency bucket. And this bucket can be stored basically anywhere in your apartment or urban stead or whatever. And you can also have your prepper closet. So don't forget about that. So you can just place this right here in this prepper closet. Bada boom, bada bing. Hit that like button if you want to see more videos like this. Comment with any ideas you have for the bucket or the prepper closet. And of course, please subscribe for more videos like this on practical preparedness. Thank you all so much for watching. Conquer the world by preparing today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.